So this video is going to cover how to make regression in Google Sheets. If you didn't already watch the Desmos video, you need to watch that one because in that video I explain what regression is and a lot of the vocab much more in depth. Here I'm going to go very fast and show you how to make regression graphs using Google Sheets. Okay, so I'm going to highlight these two columns. No, I don't want that. I'm going to highlight these two columns and select Insert and Chart. Now someday Google Sheets will be smart enough to recognize that I wanted a scatter plot. So over here it pops up with chart type, and we need to change chart type to scatter plot. Great, that looks much better. Okay. Now we still have a few things to do here, so don't close this. So in order to get the regression line, we're going to click on Customize right there. And what we're going to customize is the series right here. So click this down arrow. And then this gives us a lot of options. So we could change the line color if we wanted. Whatever. But mostly what we care about is trend line. So the trend line is going to add a regression line. Notice it doesn't tell you the equation or the r squared, but I can get those things by pressing here. So I want to show r squared, so check that box. And to get the equation, I just click on the label option, and I'm going to say label with equation. All right, so that's all there is to it. Remember, the advantage using Google Sheets is if you have a data table with I think more than 50, then Desmos doesn't take all of them. So you would need to do Google Sheets if you had more than 50 points. I think Desmos graphs look nicer, but that's just me. All right, if we wanted a nonlinear regression, so I'm going to click over here on my launch angle versus distance. So same thing, insert chart. Still have to change it to scatter plot. All right. And so same stuff, I need to add a trend line. I feel like looking at green things. That's too bright. Purple, cool. And then I just have to, so I still want to label it with the equation and show the r squared. But now I can change the type, and here we see all of our other options. So we're going to stick to exponential and polynomial for this. So polynomial is the same as quadratic, and I just want it to be degree 2. That means it's squared. You can go up to 3 and 4, and it'll give you better r squared values, but it's actually pointless. So stick with polynomial degree 2. That's the same as quadratic. Or if you wanted exponential, that is right here. All right, so that's the quick way to make regression in Google Sheets. If you needed to calculate the residual plot, which you will be required to do, there's a longer method for that, which is a separate video.